Hello everyone. So in this video we will learn how to send leads to Google Sheets and add meeting registrant in Zoom. So imagine this, you have generated a new lead called as John from Question Scout, and it has John's name, email address, phone number and all those details. Now you want to add the details of John in Google Sheets and also add him as a registrant for a Zoom meeting. Now here you have two options. Either you can copy all the details of John from Question Scout and manually add John into Zoom and Google Sheets. Now this approach is very repetitive and tiresome. Or bring in some automation. That is, when a new lead is added in Question Scout, it will automatically add this data in Google Sheet and automatically add him as a registrant in Zoom. So in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate Question Scout to Zoom and Google Sheet. Now the best part of using Pabbly Connect is there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen. Okay, so this is a form that I have built in Question Scout. So we are going to enter some details. So imagine this, a guy called as Thyron is filling in the form. So the name is Thyron, the last name is Maxwell. Okay, and this is the email address of Thyron. Thyron Maxwell 123@gmail.com. And of course this is the address, RT10 Villa House. Okay, it's just a random address, and of course this is the phone number. Okay, and this is the organization where he works in, let's say, Tesla, and the job title is he's a contractor. Okay, so basically when I click on submit, this data will be appended into Google Sheet. And also there is something you should know. This guy called as Thyron Maxwell will be added as a registrant in Zoom. So let me just do that. Let me just click on submit. Okay, so the form submission has been made. So let's have a look in our Google Sheet. Do we have a data of Thyron? Yes. So the first name is Thyron, the last name is Maxwell, this is the email, and this is the address, this is the phone number, organization and job title. Now coming to Zoom, so let's have a look. Do we have a person called as Thyron Maxwell? So let me just refresh this. So this is the lecture we have. This is the event we have, physics lecture. And let's see whether Thyron Maxwell is a participant in this lecture. Yes, there is a guy called as Thyron Maxwell. Excellent. So basically this is what we want to do. Anytime the registration form is filled in Question Scout, it will be reflected as a data in Google Sheet, and also the person will be added as a registrant in Zoom. Okay, so to begin the integration process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly.com, press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. Here just click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also build your own free account in just 2 minutes. Here, just scroll down and here you will find connect. Just click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner, you will find a button, create workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I am going to give it as Question Scout to Google Sheets to Zoom. Question Scout to Google Sheets to Zoom. Okay, so let me just click on create. Okay, so when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. Okay, so here we are going to create a new workflow. Now after creating this workflow, I will attach the link of this workflow in the description box as well. So just in case if you want to access this workflow, you can directly clone it into your account by signing up for free. Okay, so this is our trigger window, and in the choose app, how about we make it as Question Scout. Question Scout. Okay, Question Scout it is. Okay. Now coming to the trigger event, how about we make it as new submission? Okay, so new submission is a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically a if statement. It asks a question: if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new submission is made in Question Scout, then what action should be taken by the system? At present, there is only one trigger event, that is new submission. Now in case if you want more triggers of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com to custom build a trigger event for you. But at present, I just want to send the data when a new submission is made in Question Scout. Okay, so basically the gist of the process is we are just trying to integrate Question Scout to Pabbly Connect. So let's have a look in Question Scout. So let me take you to Question Scout account. So these are the two forms I have: registration form and employee onboarding template. So what I'm going to do here is I want to send the data from this particular form. So I'm just going to click on edit form. Okay, so here at the left bottom, you will find the option called as settings. Click on settings. Okay, so in the settings page, under the general section, just scroll down and here you will find webhooks. So as you can see, I already have created 3 of them. Now for your consideration, I'm just going to create one more. So let me just click on add a webhook. Okay, so in the trigger event, we have to keep it as new submission. Okay, now coming to the most important part, the endpoint. So to get the endpoint, let me go to Pabbly Connect and copy this. This is the endpoint or the webhook URL you want. Copy this and simply paste it here. Okay, so we have entered the endpoint URL and let me just click on add webhook. Okay, so a webhook has been created. So basically the gist is we have successfully integrated this particular form to Pabbly Connect. This basically means anytime a new submission is made in this particular form, Pabbly Connect will capture the data. So as to ensure that Pabbly Connect captures this data, let me go to Pabbly Connect and let me just click on this button, capture webhook response. Click this. Okay, so it is showing it is waiting for the data. So what I'm going to do here is I'm taking back to Question Scout, going back to the dashboard, clicking on these 3 buttons, and I'm just going to click on share. Okay, so I'm going to copy the link, open this in a new tab, paste it, and I'm going to fill in some details. So imagine a guy called as Johnny Depp is filling the form. So the first name is Johnny, the last name is Depp, and this is the email, Johnny Depp 123@gmail.com, and this is the address, Western Villa. Okay, and this is the phone number of Johnny Depp. Okay, bunch of random numbers, that's all. And then we have the organization as POCT, Pirates of the Caribbean, and this is the job title. So this guy, let's say, is a pirate, but we are going with Navy Captain. Okay, so this is the job title, and let me just click on submit. Okay, so the form submission has been made in Question Scout. Now since Pabbly Connect is integrated with Question Scout, let's check whether Pabbly Connect has captured the detail. So let us have a look. Yes, the data has been captured. So let me just scroll down. So we have the name, the first name as Johnny, then we have the last name as Depp. This is the email, johnnydepp123@gmail.com, and this is the value, Western Villa. This is the phone number, and this is the value, POCT. This is Pirates of the Caribbean, and this is the job description, that is he's a Navy captain. So basically we have to add all this data to Google Sheets. Now to add all this data to Google Sheets, let me just click on this plus button. Okay, so when you click on this plus button, another window opens up. This is called as the action window. So in the Choose app, how about we make it as Google Sheets? Google Sheets it is. Okay, so now in the action event, how about we just scroll down and click on add new row. Okay, so add new row is an action event. There are many more action events like copy a sheet, delete a sheet, update a row, update a cell, and so on. All of them are a bunch of action events. Now, just like the triggers, if you have trouble finding the action event according to your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com to custom build an action event for you. But at present, I just want to add a new row in my Google Sheet. Okay, so let me ask you, did you understand why we have kept the action event as add new row? So to make you understand this, let me just take you to my newly created Google Sheet. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to show you my newly created Google Sheet. Okay, so Google Sheet it is. So I actually have made a new Google Sheet to append all the data from a Question Scout. So this is the newly created Google Sheet database from Question Scout, and these are the rows we have. This is the row we have, first name, last name, email, address, phone number, organization, and job title. Now the reason we are keeping the action event as add new row is basically we want to append the data into adjacent rows one by one. For example, the first name will be inserted, then the last name, email, address, and so on. So basically the data will be appended into adjacent rows one by one. So what we are going to do here is I'm just going to click on connect. Okay, and in the new credentials, just click on connect with Google Sheets. Okay, so it is asking me to choose an account. So this particular Google Sheet is present in this account, so I'm selecting this one. Okay, so it is asking me to confirm my choice. Now before I click on allow, let me tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. Okay, so on the basis of that trust, just press allow. Okay, so it is showing the authorization is successful, just press OK. So as you can see in the spreadsheet, it is showing it as database from Question Scout. And when we expand this, these are all the spreadsheet that is present in my Google account, Gmail account. Okay, so we are selecting this one because we want to insert the data into this particular spreadsheet. Now coming to this part called as the sheet. There is only one sheet, that is sheet 1. Okay, this is because there is only one sheet, that is sheet 1, and Pabbly Connect is reflecting that. Now coming to the first name and rest of the details. So basically we will start mapping our details. So let me introduce you to this button. This button is called as the mapping button. When we click this, we will find the data that we have captured from Question Scout. So the first name was, I think, Johnny. Where is our Johnny? Yes. So we have mapped it. Easy. Now coming to the last name, we are just going to click here and we are just going to map in the last name. So this is Deb. Now coming to the email, just click here and this is the email. Where is our email? Okay, we have mapped it. The address was something Wilsonville or something. Okay, so yeah, we have mapped it. Now coming to the phone number, so the phone number was a bunch of random numbers. Yeah, we have mapped it. The organization is what was the organization? Organization was POCT, okay, Pirates of the Caribbean. And then we have the job title. So he was a Navy captain, right? Yeah, okay. So basically we have entered all the details, okay, mapped all the details. So when I click on save and send test request, it will send the data of Johnny Depp to this particular spreadsheet. So let me just do that. Let me just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing the data has been sent. So let's have a look. So we have the name Johnny Depp, email. Okay, so this is the email. Okay, and this is the address, this is the phone number, this is the organization, and this is the job title. Excellent. So our first stage of integration is complete. Now coming to the second stage, we are going to create a new registrant from the data that we have received from Question Scout. Now to do that, let me just again click on this plus button. So we are going to add one more action window, this time for Zoom. So in the choose app, how about we make it as Zoom? Zoom it is. Okay, so now in the action event, we want to add a registration for meeting. So add meeting registrant. Okay, so let me just click on connect with Zoom. In the new credentials, let me just again click on connect with Zoom. Okay, so it is showing the authorization is successful. Just press OK. Now in the meeting, it is showing it as meeting integration meeting. And when we expand this, these are all the meetings that we have in my Zoom account. Let me show you. Let me just remove this. Okay, so these are the meetings I have. So let me just show you. So at present it is showing only 2 meetings, physics lecture and meetings for Question Scout user. Now as you can see, these are all the meetings that had been scheduled but had now is expired. So basically Pabbly Connect is also capturing all those details that also has expired. So my point is any data that is present here is being reflected here. Now what if I create a new meeting? So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to schedule a new meeting. Okay, so the meeting is let's say chemistry classes 102. Okay, I'm sorry about the spelling. Classes. Okay, classes it is. Okay, so it is scheduled on 20th from let's say 1 p.m. or 2 p.m. Okay, and registration is required. Okay, and let me just click on save. Okay, so a new meeting called as chemistry class 102 has been scheduled. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to refresh this. So when I refresh this, I can expect to find this newly created meeting, that is chemistry class 102 in the drop downs. This is because Pabbly Connect is now thoroughly integrated with Zoom. So let us check, do we have a chemistry class 102? Yes, we do have a chemistry class 102. So basically this guy called as Johnny Depp is going to apply for add as a registrant in this particular class, in this particular meeting. Now let's start mapping the details. So we already know how to do that. So we will be mapping detail from here, this accordion webhook capture webhook. Okay, so let me just show you the email. So this is the email, you already know. Okay, and then we are going to map in the name again. So the name is Johnny, mapped it. Then coming to the last name, we are going to map in the last name. So the last name is Depp, we have mapped it. And we are again going to map in the address. Okay, so address is, where is our address? Where is our address? Ah yeah, Western Villa. Now we don't have any data regarding the city or the country, the zip code, state, phone number. Yes, we do have the data of the phone number. So the phone number. Okay, so this is the phone number. Where is our phone number? Yes. The organization, as you may remember, it was a POCT. Yes. Okay, so job title, that guy was Navy captain. So Navy captain, let me just directly search because it's taking time to individually map all of them. So Navy captain it is. Purchasing time frame, it's not really important, so I'm just keeping it as within a month. Role of the purchase process, I'm making decision maker. Number of employees, Johnny Depp was the captain of a ship, so let's say 1 to 20. Now in the comments, let's ignore it. So when I click on save and send test request, it will add a registrant to this particular meeting, that is chemistry classes. Okay, so because we have mentioned the meeting as chemistry classes 1 or 2. So let me just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing the data has been sent. So let's have a look. So this is the class. So let me just refresh this. Okay, and let me just scroll down. So as you can see, there is a new registrant. Okay, so let me just see. Yes, the new registrant is Johnny Depp. Johnny Depp123@gmail.com, and this is the registration date. So the presence of this particular registrant for this particular class shows that we have successfully integrated Question Scout, Google Sheets, and Zoom with help of Pabbly Connect. Now before you leave, let me just explain you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to minimize my action window, and I'm going to minimize this action window, and I'm going to minimize the trigger window. So basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated Question Scout to Pabbly Connect, and then you have integrated Pabbly Connect to Zoom Sheets and Google Sheets, and then you have integrated Pabbly Connect to Zoom. So now there's a perfect flow of data between Question Scout and Zoom. Excellent.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.